Alright, so what this is asking you to do, it says graph your data points on the grid below. So the number of cubes in the puzzle piece is represented on the x-axis, and the mass of the piece is indicated on the y-axis, and to label the axes. So first off, go ahead and let's label these. We'll say this is the number of cubes. And over here on the side, this is going to be the, what is it? Mass. Mass in grams. Okay. And then on this, we're just going to space this out a little bit. So here's 1 cube, 2 cubes, 3, 4, 5, and we max out at 6. And then the weight of each of these, let's call this like 3 grams, 6, 9, 12. You get the idea. Then we just say, okay, if it was a 4 puzzle piece, how much did that weigh? And I don't remember how much this stuff weighed, so you guys are going to have to be on your own a little bit with this. But we'll put in a couple of points in here. And later we have to make a trend line, which just means that we have to take these points and see how they line up. And instead of just crossing through wherever, we should know if the number of cubes reaches 0 or the weight of the cubes is 0. Those 2 points should be the same. So 0 cubes shouldn't weigh anything. This has to be a point on our graph, which means that when we go to make our trend line, it has to cross through this point and then pass through as many of those points as possible. So I should see something kind of like this on your paper. Again, I don't know what the exact number is for these guys, but the rest should look pretty close with the mass in grams, number of cubes, and roughly what the trend line looks like.